Hey everyone! Today I've got something super tasty and healthy to share. It's the Hyde's Fine Foods Tropical Mix. Think of it as a little bit of summer in a bag. Let's dive in. This 1 kilogram bag is packed with a vibrant mix of dried fruits and nuts, raisins, peanuts, coconut, papaya, pineapple, banana chips and apricots. It's colourful, it's delicious, and it's perfect for snacking anytime. Whether you're at work, school, or just craving a healthy treat, it's the perfect snack. And here's a dad joke for you. Why did the raisin go to the party? Because it was feeling a little raisin the roof. Okay, but seriously, this mix isn't just tasty, it's also high in protein, fibre and good fats. A win-win for your health. Why can nuts never get into arguments? Because they always stay calm and nut roll. See what I did there? Now about the packaging. It's minimal, food grade and recyclable, so it's good for you and the planet. And this is a family-run business, packed here in the UK with love and care in every bag. So, if you're looking for a healthy, tasty, versatile snack, I highly recommend trying the Hyde's Fine Foods Tropical Mix. Click the link below to grab yours now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tasty reviews. See you next time.